Hi there, it's great to see you again. What we're going to do in this video is find the solution set for the system of inequalities given by x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 25 and y is greater than or equal to 1 minus x. So remember, talking about the first inequality, x squared plus y squared less than or equal to a number, as long as that number is positive, means that we want all points inside of that circle. X squared plus y squared equals 25 is a circle whose radius is 5. So we want all the points that are within that circle. So this comes down to all points within the circle and all points that are either above or on the line y equals 1 minus x, as you see pictured here. So combining those two ideas, we want to be at least as high as the line, but still within the circle. So we're talking about this wedge here. And just like with any other solution set region that we've discussed, we're going to want to find the points of intersection between those two curves. So we have basically x squared plus y squared equals 25. Those are all points that are on the circle. Y equals 1 minus x. Again, all points that are on the line. We want to know which points they intersect at. So I'm going to substitute 1 minus x for y in the first equation. So I'm going to take this and substitute it there. So we have x squared plus 1 minus x quantity squared equals 25. And then we'll multiply out, combine like terms, and see where we end up. So you have x squared plus, now 1 minus x, the quantity squared, is 1 minus 2x plus x squared, and that's equal to 25. I see I have like terms of x squared on the left-hand side, so I'm going to write that as 2x squared minus 2x. Now if I bring the 25 over and subtract 25 from both sides, we have minus 24 equals 0. And I can divide each of those terms by 2. So we have x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. So at that point, looks like we can use factoring to solve this equation. We'll say x minus 4 and x plus 3, factors of negative 12 that add up to negative 1, negative 4 and positive 3. And that means when x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. And when x plus 3 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to negative 3. And now we could use either equation to find the value of y. The line is more definitive that way, and it is also easier to work with. So you have y equals 1 minus x. So if x is 4, that means y is equal to negative 3. And if x is equal to 3, that means y is equal to 4. So we have the intersection points for negative 3 and negative 3, 4. And as you can see here, the one on the lower right here is 4, negative 3. And up here we have negative 3, 4. And that picture right there shows us the solution set to the system of inequalities.